with an emphasis on adding language to increase interest and impact. With this, I hand over the stage to Toastmaster of the day. Over to you.
Uh, so Shayan, what is the time limit? Is it 5 to 7 minutes or is it
Yeah.
longer?
Sorry,
Okay,
the time limit same as
no worries. Toastmaster Chandrika, what about serendipity? What about serendipity, Toastmaster Chandrika?
Someday, some event made a deep impression in our mind and heart, and it always feels nostalgic whenever you remind those moments. They always smells like a flower or feel like a cold breeze whenever you revisit those memories. Today, I am sharing the same euphoric moment or day in my college life. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests. This was the year 2008, the first Sunday of the month of August, in a rainy day in a quiet and serene city, which also known as the city of Lake Bhopal in the heart of the India. It's so beautiful that whenever the girls of my hostels used to stand on the hostel roof and look around the city, you feel like you are in the island surrounded by the beautiful water bodies. That's the view from my college hostel. And when it rains in the monsoon, the small streams goes beyond the hills of the city and made a melodious symphony. And whenever you will pause yourself from the hustle bustle of the daily life, you can listen those beautiful music of the nature. Why is it so? Because the Bhopal has a very special geographical features. It situated on the Vindhyan range, which goes whose height and altitude rises from north to south, and it will give a majestic landscape to the city, and you will feel like you are in the top of the hill. It was a very pleasant day, and in my hostel, hostel number 7, it seems like an ordinary Sunday where some girls went to the are going here there, some are going to the mat, some are were still have to get down from the bed, and some are busy in the mundane work. I was in the last year of my college, and most of the girls on my bench were busy in their job interview, and who are placed are feeling like the top of the hill and planning to go for outing, and who are not selected in any job till now are quite worried about their future, their dream company, and not very eager or agree or excited to go outside in such a beautiful pleasant weather. But it was a last year. We convinced them and we went outside for a trip. That time, everyone has a scooty. We all 15-20 girls took our scooty. Some are in the pink, some are in the red scooty, some in the white, and went down to the hills because our college is situated in a hill. And when everyone from guard to professor and boys looked us, they were so astonishing and surprised. And I can still relate that moment with the ad of the scooty of Priyanka Chopra, which depict the same scene and had this dialogue: why always boys have all the fun? That ride was amusing. We crossed our hostel, then the famous New Market and the crowded city area, and reached to the lush green area, where you can see the upper lake, the biggest artificial lake of the Asia, which spread across 31 square kilometer, and the part of the Bhoj wetland and constructed by the King Bhoj in the 15th century. The other side of the lake, the beautiful hills, and in that hill, the one corner has a tribal museum, the another corner has the CCD cafe. That cafe is so romantic place when you stand there across and look the panoramic view of the lake and the greenery, you will feel amazed. You will feel amazed. I still remember a lot of successful and unsuccessful love stories of my college were born there. Cutting across all this story, I will come to the art trip. We were enjoying their side view, scenic view, giggling, enjoying, and then we thought, let's go to the zoo right across the lake. Unlike the other caged zoos, these are not the zoo but a river national park, which is shining beacon in the area of the conservation and breeding. The national park itself is so beautiful and has a characteristic combination of the rich flora and fauna, rugged, sloped grass covered with the plantations and bamboo trees. It also has amazing winged creatures, captive carnivorous. So this is the beauty of that one vihar. We took the tickets and started our small jungle safari with the other tourists in a bus. Sometimes we are so excited to see outside the window of the bus, and sometimes we play the Antakshari inside the bus. Suddenly, the driver took the brake and we all were surprised what happened. And when we saw the outside the window, we saw the beautiful spotted deer running, jumping across the road. This scene is very common in that national park and is still so mesmerizing in my memory that whenever I thought about that trip, the first thing come into my mind is that spotted cheetal. After that, we also visited the other animals, fox, bears, etc. But we are stunned when we saw the white tiger. And it gives a goosebumps when you can see the 3 white tigers just 10 meters apart from your bus. And you can thought that anything can happen. They will jump or anything happen. But they don't worry, nothing happened as they are so used to human nowadays in a zoo. They enjoy the picturesque scenic beauty of the Van Vihar and thought to return our hostel. It was dawn time and the street lights of the across the lake was on. And it looked like the pearl necklace beautifully adorned in the city and nothing less than the Marine Drive of the Mumbai. We returned our hostel around 7:30 p.m. And whenever I remember those trips, even after 12 years, and talked and discussed that trip with my friends, we still think that trip has a special place in our heart. Not because of the weather or the beauty, but it gives us perks and escape from those stressful placement period and also solidified our friendship in the last year of the college. That's the beauty of nature. I will just conclude my speech with a wonderful quote by Pythagoras that leave the road and take the trails. Back to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chandrika. Indeed, a wonderful speech, and even I feel like I